Welcome to the NewsRamp Insurance Podcast. I'm your host, Max Newsman, and I'm thrilled to have you with us today. NewsRamp.com curates the latest business news from leading newswires, bringing you the most relevant stories to keep you informed and inspired. Now, a quick note before we dive in. While this podcast is produced with the assistance of AI and AI voices, rest assured that the stories we're sharing are very real, and the complete news stories can be found at newsramp.com. It's Friday morning, August 8th, 2025, and we have a lineup of insurance headlines and stories that you won't want to miss. So grab your coffee, lace up those running shoes, or settle into your favorite chair, and let's get started. Here is our first headline. Stonegate Capital Partners updates coverage on GoHealth Inc., now CO, 2025 Q2. Stonegate Capital Partners has updated their coverage on GoHealth Inc., Novio, for the second quarter of 2025. During this quarter, GoHealth faced challenges with revenue declines and contracting margins. Net revenues decreased by 11.2% year-over-year to $94.0 million, primarily due to decreases in partner revenue and non-agency revenue. However, there was a strong increase in other revenues driven by GoHealth Protect. The company secured a new senior secured super priority term loan facility, providing $80 million in new money for working capital and strategic flexibility. Additionally, amendments to the current debt facility allow for a reset of financial covenants and a pause in interest rate payments through 2026. Sales per submission declined by 4.8% year-over-year to $657, with a focus on cost management and improving marketing strategies. Stonegate Capital Partners values GoHealth Inc. at a range of $11.45 to $15.40, with a midpoint of $13.43 based on EV/EBITDA analysis.
Treviño Law surpasses $55 million in recoveries for personal injury victims in Texas and Colorado. Treviño Law, led by Jaime Treviño, has surpassed $55 million in settlements and verdicts for injured clients in Texas and Colorado. With a background defending insurance companies, the firm now advocates fiercely for victims of negligence, securing notable outcomes such as a $13 million settlement for a construction accident and an $8.5 million recovery for a family rear-ended by a delivery vehicle. Specializing in complex cases like traumatic brain injuries and medical malpractice, Treviño Law offers personalized attention, dignity, and tireless advocacy to ensure fair compensation for clients facing life-altering injuries. For those injured due to negligence, free consultations are available. Learn more at dalaw.com.
Thank you for joining us today. That's it for this episode of the NewsRamp Insurance Podcast. As a reminder, NewsRamp curates news from leading newswires like Newsworthy.ai, 24/7pressrelease.com, newsdirect.com, and blockchainwire.io. We encourage you to visit newsramp.com to read all of today's news.